Hello everybody, this is my Handshake profile video for BA 280. Jumping right in, I have my profile picture here in the upper left-hand corner. That's me. I have my name below, Oregon State University below, my major that I'm currently pursuing, Bachelor's in Business Administration. My projected graduation date, I'm going in as a sophomore, and the GPA that I currently have, and my pronouns. A little bit about me here in the central area in the middle. My journey. If you guys want to go ahead and read that, you can. I'm not going to go over that right now. I have my education listed below. I have Oregon State University, which is my primary education, which is what I'm currently attending. I previously attended University of Hawaii, but I dropped out in 2017. So I have that on there. And then my high school, Homer High School, is below as well. On the left-hand side, I have my interests. So my job interests, part-time on-campus job. Don't have those two. I do have the full-time and the internship. I don't have any cities listed. I do have some roles here displayed below, and a couple industries that I'm interested in as well. We have some contact information below. I have my OSU email here, my pronouns, my gender, and my race. I'm actually half Asian and half quarter German and a quarter Dutch, so that's not completely transparent, but who cares? A couple other students that I could discover. These all look like very nice people. The skills that I listed on my resume have been translated here. A couple different things: critical thinking, creative writing, event planning, leadership, marketing, Microsoft, blah, 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 retail, sales, all sorts of different stuff. And then my resume is also attached below. And a couple projects. I was once published in a magazine called National Fisherman's Magazine back in 2014. It was me and then a group of fellow commercial fishermen. We were all on a set net skiff, and some captain of a tender, large crabber boat took a picture of us, and it was published. So I felt the need to incorporate that because that's the most excited I've ever been in my entire life. I previously took a course relevant to this major called business law in Hawaii when my major was business management. A couple other organizations I've been a part of in my life. One being Homer Outdoor Wilderness Leaders. I grew up in Homer, Alaska, a little small town in Alaska called Homer, where I worked alongside um, Homer youth, and I'd take them on wilderness expeditions and teach them survival skills, as well as participate in a contemporary dance performance put on by my mom every year called Jazzline. She would choreograph a performance that I participated in since I was 6 up until I graduated high school to fund our local Council on the Arts, which is a program that would bring famous artists into our local schools and have little uh, conventions and stuff with children. And I also have my job experience. So I worked in High School Seafoods as a commercial fisherman for a very long time. And then I worked at a company called Kimbo Campers, where I assembled aluminum truck bed campers in Bellingham, Washington. It's a pretty cool company if you want to check them out on Instagram, Kimbo Living. And then I started at Lowe's as a customer service associate, the absolute bottom of the ladder, but now I'm an appliance specialist. And so it's a little bit higher up the chain in that respect. And that's about it. Yeah, that's my Handshake profile. I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys have. Alrighty.